Hey there, Southern Eats family. Welcome back to the channel where we celebrate the bold flavors of the South. Coming to you today with a Tex-Mex twist. I'm Colton, and today we're diving into something that's going to fire up your taste buds and bring everyone together, especially for the big game this weekend. Imagine this: crispy tortilla chips piled high with savory ground beef, melted cheese, and all your favorite toppings. We're talking loaded sheet pan nachos, y'all. This isn't just food, it's a game changer. It's easy, customizable, and guaranteed to be the MVP of your watch party. Whether you're cheering for your team or just soaking in the vibes, these nachos will have you feeling unstoppable. Stick around, because we'll cover the history, the how-to, and ways to make it your own. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's build this community one bite at a time. All right, Southern Eats family, let's get motivated and start cooking. Before we jump into the kitchen, let's take a moment to honor where it all began. Nachos aren't just a snack. They're a story of ingenuity and hospitality that inspires us to create with what we have. Picture this. It's 1943 in Piedra Negra, a small town in Coahuila, Mexico, right across the border from Eagle Pass, Texas. A group of U.S. military wives from nearby Fort Duncan cross the Rio Grande for a day of shopping. They're hungry, but the restaurants are closed. They wander into the Victory Club, where Maitre d' Ignacio Anaya, affectionately called Nacho, is the only one around. The kitchen's shut down, but Nacho isn't about to let these ladies go without. He grabs what he has: fresh tortillas, which he cuts into triangles and fries up crisp. He shreds some Colby cheese, slices pickled jalapenos, melts it all together in the oven, and serves it up. The women love it so much they ask for seconds. He calls it nachos especiales, special nachos. And just like that, a legend is born. All right, team, time to gear up. These loaded sheet pan nachos serve 6 to 8 people as an appetizer, perfect for game day. Prep time is about 15 minutes. Cook time, 20 to 25 minutes. Total cost, around $20 to $25 depending on your toppings. Here's what you'll need for the base: 1 pound ground beef, or sub-ground chicken, pork, or 2 cans of black beans for a veggie twist. 1 large bag, about 12 to 14 ounces, of sturdy tortilla chips, 2 cups shredded cheese. I like a mix of cheddar and Monterey Jack. For that melty goodness, 1 onion, diced 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 packet taco seasoning, or make your own with chili powder, cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. 1 can, 15 ounces, diced tomatoes or salsa. Optional, 1 jalapeno, sliced, fresh or pickled for heat. Now for the toppings. This is where you make it yours. Go wild with Tex-Mex favorites: sour cream guacamole, or diced avocado, fresh pico de gallo, or chopped tomatoes, sliced black olives, chopped green onions, cilantro lime wedges for squeezing, extra pickled jalapenos if you like it spicy, maybe some queso fresco or cotija for extra flair. Remember, customization is key. If you're going bean only for a meat-free option, rinse and drain those beans, then season them up just like the meat. This recipe is flexible and build it how you like it. It's all about owning your kitchen and creating joy for your crew. Let's break it down step by step. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and line a large sheet pan with foil or parchment for easy cleanup. Don't miss that pro tip right there. Step 1. Cook the protein. In a skillet over medium heat, add a drizzle of oil, then toss in your diced onion and garlic. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant. That aroma is motivation in the air. Add your ground beef, or chicken pork beans. Break it up with a spoon and cook until browned, about 5 to 7 minutes. Drain any excess fat if needed. Step 2. Season it up. Stir in the taco seasoning and diced tomatoes or salsa. Let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes to blend those flavors. Taste and adjust. Add more spice if you're feeling bold. This is your moment to shine. Step 3. Assemble the masterpiece. Spread half the tortilla chips on the sheet pan in an even layer. No overcrowding. We want every chip to get love. Spoon half the meat mixture over the chips, then sprinkle half the shredded cheese. Repeat with the remaining chips, meat, and cheese. If you're adding jalapenos, scatter them on top now for that authentic kick. Step 4. Bake to perfection. Pop the pan in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Keep an eye on it. You want melty, not burnt. Step 5. Top it off. Pull it out and let the fun begin. Dollop sour cream, guac, pico, olives, green onions. Whatever screams Tex-Mex heaven to you. Squeeze fresh lime over everything for that zesty pop. Boom! You've just created a sheet pan of pure awesomeness. Easy to serve right from the pan. No fuss, all flavor. Now, let's talk swaps to keep it fresh. Ground beef is classic Southern, but try shredded chicken for a lighter vibe. Just cook and shred rotisserie chicken with the seasoning. Pork carnitas add a smoky depth. Going vegetarian? Beans are your hero. Black, pinto, or refried for creaminess. Pro tips. Use sturdy chips to avoid sogginess. Layering prevents a cheeseless bottom. Make it ahead? Prep the meat mixture early, assemble and bake when ready. For extra motivation, involve the family. Turn it into a build-your-own station. These nachos aren't just for the big game. They're for movie nights, potlucks, or whenever you need a win. They're hearty, shareable, and packed with that Southern soul meets Tex-Mex fire. There you have it, Southern Eats Squad. Loaded sheet pan nachos that'll steal the show. Huge shout out to Ignacio Anaya for starting it all. If this fired you up, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment with your favorite topping, and subscribe for more recipes that inspire. Follow at Southern Eats on all platforms. Until next time, keep cooking with heart. You've got the power. See y'all soon.